People, welcome back to the channel. I am Man and this is I Am Sure Sports. And today I want to talk about the Reggae Boys as usual. Because we keep it positive. We keep it positive and we will shoot straight like an arrow. Because we keep it positive. But before we do that, you don't know, every time we come on our platform, we do this. We look to the hills from whence cometh our help. Our help comes from the Lord who made the heavens and the earth. He will not suffer our foot to be moved. And he that keeps us, he never ever slumbers and he never ever sleeps. Notice the Most High I keep it this morning. The breath in your lungs is because of the Most High. Stay encouraged, you know. People will say, people will do. But if God be for us, then who can be against us? I know right now, the vultures and the vipers, them probably after you. You feel the way there, but trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge him and he will direct your path. Many judge you, many criticize you. But guess what? Most time those people are known better than you. So don't listen to the naysayers. Don't listen to those who criticize you. Don't listen to those who tear you down. Stay focused. And listen, stay focused on the Most High and don't focus on the locust. You understand me? I encourage you this morning, you know. Because I know you need encouragement. I know you need a little fire in your belly so you can move on and stay positive in the midst of the trouble and the pain and the pressure. Don't give up. Don't make people make you fall. Stay upon the mountain there. Stay upon your mountain and believe in yourself and believe in the Most High. Because with him all things are possible. And remember this, you may talk. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. I have to do that. I have to say that this morning. Bless up to the Most High. Hit the like button, subscribe and share if you are here right now. I'm going to stop the video. Yeah, thank you. None of that me I tell everyone, long time if you go hit the like button. Long time if you subscribe, you're watching, you now subscribe. You're listening to the content and you now subscribe. Share the video. Get your mother, your auntie, your uncle, your nephew, and go down at the cemetery, wake up the dead and tell them to subscribe. Yeah. Alright, so bam, couple of things. 550 million US dollars to upgrade the Trelawny multi-purpose stadium. Big deal that will happen. 550 million US dollars to upgrade the Trelawny multi-purpose stadium. Right? Or the Trelawny Stadium is going to be a premier footballing facility. I understand through the grapevine, you know, that is a Wespow Park. Yo, Wespow. Pow. Mr. Powell, big up yourself about West. So you know that Mr. Powell kind of give up or sold the Mobile United over to some people. But he has kept Wespow Park and they're not going to be able to play at Wespow Park. So I'm wondering if those people are the people going to invest some money. You understand? The rainforest man, you understand? We don't call them name, but they run rainforest, big company, sell a lot of meat and all of those things, and the call center man, you know them people there. Maybe they are going to invest and take or lease the Trelawny multi-purpose stadium, multi-million-dollar deal to fix it up, turn it into an official footballing stadium. Nice facility, nice location, easy drive. Yo, if that can hold 20,000 people, big deal. Because that stadium has been there sitting and rotting and melting and dissolving into nothingness. And we need to fix that. You understand me? Quick and fast. So, Minister Babsy Grange, big up yourself. Big up. Oh, sorry, I did wrong. Which one? Big up. Which one of them are the PNP, GLP? I don't even know. Big up yourself, Minister Babsy Grange. Big up yourself. Well, no joke still. Big up yourself, Minister Babsy Grange. You understand me? And for the persons who are going to do this, Jamaica needs it. Something on the North Coast like that. Maybe Mount Pleasant couldn't play the match down there in the Champions League instead of go away pass by in the park at Kingston. You understand what I mean? Because Trelawny around 40 minutes or less, you know. Depending on who is driving and what you're driving down there. Alright, now, listen, people. Here's the other thing. Everyone said, don't focus on the locus. Every single time our national team have a major fixture, something come up, brother. Why? We have got Olympics. Something will come up with the JS race and all what happen. The Tala was when them did the CPL T20. Every time them have a big game, something come up with the JCA. Now Jamaica are going to play a big game against Ecuador. So the press release should have been released after the competition still, in my humble opinion. Why? Because nothing should be a distraction to them 23 players here. Them 23 players here must not have anything distracting them. We have to keep them focused. This is critical. Don't you see how the CONCACAF teams are doing well in the Copa America, man? We want Jamaica to do well. We have Ecuador today. We have the secret. Ecuador will lose. We never get the Mexico prediction wrong now, because we did say that Antonio could score now. And Dexter did forget them to throw it up. Because Mexico don't really get no clear-cut opportunity, you know. Them get a win at the end of the day. Beat them up for that. But you see Ecuador are going to lose. Jamaica are going to beat them. But people, you see the vloggers them, you see the newscasters and the broadcasters them and the journalists them. For this one game, me I beg on, please, spit out some positive vibes, no, man. Don't bring any story about the negative stories. Let's talk about the players. Let's talk about the brilliance of Jamal Wade, that he made the team of the week. Talk about the brilliance of a young Dexter Lembikisa. Them youth here, a young youth. We have them for at least two World Cup cycles if them continue improving. Talk about the brilliance of Dexter Lembikisi. Ethan Pinnock played well. Deshaun Bernard, the next 20, under 23 youth. Good, proper baller. Joel Latibody here. We could talk about them things then, man. Come on, man. Kaheem Dixon, come on and come do a good shift. Mikel Antonio for the first time in a long while. We see him fight and work so hard out there. We could focus on the positive them, man. Why we have to find something wrong to talk about before the fixtures? Why we have to find something to criticize and tear down and all of that? No, every man have a right to them opinion, you know. But if your opinion is right, you know, boss, is something wrong with you, you know. Every man have a right to express themselves the way they want, you know. But me I say, if we mean the team any good higher, make we find some good things in higher and talk about those things. I listened to the Argentinian before their game, and they were talking about Messi's birthday. Them people are having troubles as well. Brazil having troubles, but you listen to the Brazilians them talk. Them turn up and them support them team. Droves of them. But I tell you, you listen to the Canadians. And even in disappointment, they are speaking highly of their team and the quality in their team, and they speak about those things. And they are having issues in their federation. It happens all over, you know. But I think sometimes we kind of make the narrative negative, and we don't realize its impact on the overall performance of the team. Now I'm not telling us when ball make mistake, no man of talk, and even think the coach make mistake enough to talk, and even think the JFF make mistake enough to talk, and even think like the management make mistake enough to talk. But can we do the talking when the game done? Before lead up to the game, can we just keep it positive for the period of time there? The couple hours to encourage, man. If you know a baller, you normally communicate with them, say, yo baller, big up yourself and all the best today, you know. That is how we have to keep the thing positive. Because a kingdom divided by itself must fall, you know. Must fall. We have to be united in this. We have to come together. We have to work in it and through it together, my people. We have to do this. This is togetherness. We have to find the will to unite and build around the positives. Build on them. Step on the stepping stones and come off the slippery slopes. This is integral to the furtherance of the football. Imagine with me if Jamaica advances. How many youth life would be better off. How the football financially would improve. Yeah, the TFF stand to benefit, but the players would benefit. Young youth like Kaheem Dixon, the Alex Marshall, the Richard King. Probably can buy a house in Jamaica for them family. Buy a car. You like Dexter Lembikisa can probably buy him own vehicle at a young age right now. Buy him own home. These are the things we need to look at the positive, build on them. We have to support the coach while the coach is on the job. Now, yeah, you can talk about the coach last game, but we are talking about this game. We now focus on the locus. Positive energy. Positive energy. Yeah, man, so I hit that, you know, for today, you know, hit the like button, share and subscribe, you know. Remember, multi-purpose stadium down at Trelawny, or the Trelawny Stadium, $550 million US, billions of Jamaican that in a bossy. upgrade it. I hope the work start tomorrow, you know. Big up Minister Grange for that. And the rest of the government and the opposition who was instrumental in that from the beginning in terms of building the stadium. Big up the two party them. Don't bother call me political. Big up the two party them. You understand me? Me now put up no side. Yeah, you understand me? And let's keep it positive. You see the press releaser, you have to release the press release the later. Can't release the press release before the game press releaser. Who is the press releaser? I need to find the press releaser and have a conversation with the press releaser. Next time, press releaser, you release the release there at the end of the tournament. You can't release the thing there before the game day. Press releaser, you can't release that. It cannot be immediately on game day, bossy. It have to be immediately after the competition, bossy. Understand me? Big up on yourself. I am man is bad. This is I Am Sure Sports, and as usual, when it gets to this point of the show, we say we are over. Book 'em, and we are out of here.